What's up, guys? We're back today with another game. This is Teardown. I'm with Unknown Wave, and today we're gonna see how much we can fuck shit up.
Let's do it.
Let's get going. Walk home. Exactly, am I walking? Oh, there's the bus.
I have to walk home every day.
Okay, where exactly is home?
Not that
Can't
way.
go there. Okay, so I guess it's this way.
Maybe it's in the bottom of the lake.
Train. Can I cross the bridge? Hold and drag to open. Okay, here we go.
Good enough.
Yeah, first hurdles down.
10 more to go.
I'm trying to get my hair out of my face. Ugh, out of the way. I'm already destroying stuff. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Fuck your box. Pick up your tools. Replace the fuse, turn on power. Where is the fuse? Okay, over here. Oh, it's outside. Can I, like, run? Hell yeah. Can I destroy the building? Yeah, I can. Replace the fuse to turn on power. Oh, I thought I was going to say replace the door. Oh, okay, I can jump. What is it? Oh, dude, I thought that was a dino footprint for a second.
Honestly, I thought it was a big trap. Like a bear trap. Big bear.
Okay, it's not opening.
You gotta destroy that tree.
Thank you.
Oh, word? I was just being funny.
Fuck your trees. Okay, there we go. Go inside and check messages. That's how I knock with a sledgehammer. Oh, okay.
Thank God she was yapping.
Gas bill. Oh my god, it's my mom.
I was gonna say that.
Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. Oh my god!
I'm scared. Next it's gonna say Timmy texted you.
Yeah, right? This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening, my name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. I need it going by tomorrow, and I've been willing to pay more than standard rate for some extra discretion, quick execution, and comfortable working hours. Will you be able to take care of it? This is probably some elderly person's house, and we're probably about to destroy it. That's what I feel we're about to do, but let's go. Oh, what is this? Is this...
I'm always down to take down someone's house.
The building problem. The old building problem. An upscale shopping center by the waterfront managed by Gordon Wu, also in the area of Locale Municipality Folk Museum. Play. Let's do it. Escape?
We just got here.
Yeah, taking this fence out, yeah. I'm gonna use a sledgehammer for everything. Besides metal, because I don't think we can break metal.
I have a really good idea how to take out that whole town. Get involved with ep1.
Can't stand without walls.
Can't break brick with a metal hammer? What?
Oh, what's this? Sledge. Propane tanks explode when thrown. Oh! Okay, cool. Okay, that will take out the bricks. Let's do this.
Yeah, destroy that plant too. Yeah.
Oh man.
You tried to get us all killed.
Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Okay.
What?
It's metal. It's metal. Okay. I don't want to waste it on that. I'm gonna destroy the brick.
Throw it on the other side. Yeah. you gotta put the thick green goblin in too.
Yeah. Oh.
Give me your belt.
Give me your belt. Cool. I hope I'm not wasting these. And
you only
it's
get 3.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna.
Wait, go to the other side. Make sure there's no more brick.
Oh, okay. I just hurt myself. Oh wait, you automatically heal back up. Okay, cool.
The steps.
True.
Those are some strong ass steps. You know?
Oh! Oh! Okay, almost died. Could you turn off that light for me, Brody? Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, the next job, you're gonna be playing, okay?
Alright, word. You ready to see how a master should do it?
Oh no, I'm blind now.
It's so much easier to see without the light.
Right?
I was kind of hoping when it fell, it like crumbled.
It's like Minecraft, but on like steroids, I guess.
Minecraft but with physics that work at decent.
Right? Alright. Don't worry, I'm just fixing up your roof. What is that?
Don't forget, I don't know how to play Xbox. I only play on BlackBerry.
Like the phone?
Yeah.
Who are you, Barack Obama?
Hello, Americans.
He is funny though, Barack Obama. Like when he was dipping the cookie, he's like, "Dang it, Obama."
Wasted the propane.
Yeah, I am too.
Starting to see that the chimney's not falling.
The chimney's going. It's going. Okay, is there a way? Oh, there's light. Okay, cool. Let me turn that on. Extinguisher? Oh, that's all I've got? Oh, okay, no wonder why.
What happened to those C4 bombs you picked up?
Got the propane. Oh!
This is my house after a hurricane.
It's gonna like end up with like one of those videos where the guys are taking down the silos and they get crushed by it. No, it's not. I take pride in my work. What happens if this is supposed to be the house from Up?
They like to come and me wanna go home. Come, Mr.
I was gonna say it's a brick house. She's mighty mighty.
You had me in the first half.
That's funny. There will be nothing left. All of the memories, nothing. Not even the floor.
Not even us.
Alright. Bronk.
Now I think of it, I should upgrade my graphics card on my BlackBerry.
Mission accomplished. Get to the escape vehicle. Why is someone coming? I don't see no one. I got a sledgehammer. What are they gonna do?
Big bad wolf. Oh, is that another propane? Oh,
well, I'm glad. I'm glad it was. Glad it was another propane tank. I'd be going.
Just like Papa. My dad always warned me about explosives. He said Grandpa wasn't too careful in Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay, let's get out of here.
Wrong way.
Where's the car at? Where's the car at? Oh, there it is.
What are you talking about? Yeah, making you get in a sketchy car.
Mission time. Targets required. 1. Let's see. The old building problem. New high score. 1. Alright, continue.
Can't beat that.
Yeah, right?
Shut up, clock.
Yeah, right? That's how they do it in the movies. Wait, can I break this? Oh, I'm really scared. I don't really want... nah. I'm
You're
not.
gonna wake up and be trapped.
Oh, shit. Okay, check emails.
She still yapping on TV? No.
Oh, no. Cultural heritage site destroyed. Oh, no.
Oh, what'd you do, man?
Oh, no. Did a quick job on the old building.
You know, it did only take 8 minutes.
Oh, my God, dude.
It was an orphanage.
The chemicals is moving. Oh, I thought they had me surrounded for a second. It scared me. It's like I'm gonna have to fight the police with this sledgehammer.
Is that my house?
Is that my house? Investigation.
Yeah, your mom set you up.
Right? What a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage
Mom.
protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Turtleman at the police just sent me this photo. They must have caught you on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried sweet talking her, and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. I don't think she wants. Let's just do it.
I don't want to do it anymore.
She'll email you directly. Oh, no. Okay. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town and I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers over at Lee's Chemicals so that I can finally access his customer registry and sort this mess out? If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little blunder will be forgotten.
The way they say borrow really strikes me as you're not going to borrow it.
Yeah.
You're going to tactically acquire that shit.
I feel like I'm going to hit someone over the head with this sledgehammer.
I hope I don't have to destroy like orphanage or like a homeless shelter.
You probably are going to have to.
Oh, no.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, what kind of
Wait,
game
what's
is
the
this?
X? What's the X?
X marks the spot. I think that's where you're just at.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Use computers. Operated by the Lee family for 3 generations, Lawrence Lee Jr. showed a promising start but developed a weakness for fast cash. He is now a well-known name in the criminal underworld. Please pick up 3 computers at the site for us. So we need 3 computers. Alright, Brody, you're up.
Alright, what's the controls on this?
I don't know.
Yes, you played. Alright, computers? What I gotta do? Alright.
Ooh, my bad.
No, you chilling. Ooh.
You can drive vehicles? Crash it into his house.
Which one's his house?
I don't know. Just pick one.
This one.
What's up, Lee?
Sorry, Lee, I'm trying to get at your house.
This is like every day in Chicago.
It's pretty fun. I got the cool one. Oh.
Drive into it. Drive into it.
You read my mind.
Do it.
More power. Come on, come on. You built like a baby TRX.
You can do it.
Smoking worse than my car.
Yeah, right? Piece of junk. Oh, dude, can you drive that? You can. How you got the cool one? That's some cool.
I forget my mission too.
let's just mess everything up. We can find the computers in the rubble, right?
Yeah. Somewhere in there, right?
Yeah, it'll find them.
Oh, that's funny. Found the computers.
You did?
Can I control that? Oh wait.
They were over here.
Shovel.
Steer. Yeah, shovel. There you go.
I didn't even see I could.
See, yeah, lift it up and just take it down. All that water. Just tearing it out. Push it to the limit.
I see the other computer too.
It's like when Peter Griffin messes up Cleveland's house. He's like, no.
I've been binge watching American Dad.
Bro, I love Stan.
Yeah, he's funny. Roger's so funny.
Alrighty.
Was that it? Oh wait, no, I got.
You gotta get 3, right? How many do you have now? You got 1.
Fuck this house.
Yeah, you messed all up. Let him know.
That's what you get for setting me up. Oh wait, they didn't set me.
Yeah, it was a different guy. Grab valuable.
Let me grab it. Is it down here?
Did you smash it?
Oh no.
Oh, it was the painting.
Oh, we don't need that valuable.
Man, who put these houses here?
Right my way.
See, this is what happens when you park a house in front of a hydrant.
You know, this is like why I didn't pass my driver's ed test.
You drove me around today.
See how many buildings we went through?
I like how you went so slow with that one.
Yeah. Oh, can I use this? I had to use a pallet jack at my old job.
See eyes?
No. I mean, yeah, yes too, but...
What is that? Oh. It's all done.
Oh, okay, so I don't... How do I get rid of the hammer so I can pick that up?
Oh, to pick up, you walk up to it and you press the left one. Like that.
Oh, what?
And you're gonna blow yourself up. Oh, I think they're empty.
Oh, what?
You try again?
I don't think it was empty, Rob.
Whoa. I think there's only a certain amount of stress they can take.
I have a feeling I have to go over there.
Are we just destroying a random person's house?
You heard that car?
What car?
No.
Nah, you just threw the propane thing. Kaboom.
This is taxation without representation.
Yeah.
Come here.
This is the police.
Ooh, what's this do?
Throw it. Excuse me. Do it. Not a damn thing, that's what it does. You're destroying it as you're going up it.
Ah.
No one's gonna follow me. There's nothing.
Give me liberty or give me death.
I thought that was gonna kill you for a second. I was like, oh.
Alright. No more funny business. I've come for the computers.
Oh, there's one. We don't use doors. We make doors.
I make my way.
Oh, don't tell me the last one's in there. Jump in, do it. Oh. Yeah, beat the water.
Shark in there. Papa always told me to destroy everything.
Dang, there ain't nothing. Where's that third computer at? Oh, probably in that tower, that cement tower right there.
That one?
No, that one right
I was
there.
in that one.
Oh, you were in that one?
Yeah.
How much do you want to bet we're going to have to end up working for this guy that we're
We're gonna have to fix everything.
Yeah, right?
I'll check one more time.
Yeah, nothing. I was wrong.
This is all your fault. What if the thing I destroyed was the tower? Or was the computer?
That would suck.
It's gotta be in here somewhere. I was just having too much fun with destroying everything.
I don't blame you. Oh, toggle map and objectives. Fire alarm. Oh, large fires. We've just been going around destroying everything.
Found it.
Oh, where is it?
Hold up. I got it. It's up here.
We didn't even think. What? Was there even? Did we destroy the stairs? We did. We did. We destroyed the stairs.
No.
And then put them back. Oh, let's see. We're gonna. You want to restart the mission?
No, I got this.
Is there another way? See if you can get up on that. Oh wait, you probably. Yeah, see if you can get up from there. Oh, that might work. Okay, okay, we're cooking now.
I have an idea.
Gentlemen, I may not have a brain, but I have an idea.
I'll just destroy it all so it comes down.
True. Oh, yeah. Yep. Modern problems require modern solutions.
Nah, man.
Oh. Not really a solution. Here, see if you can, yeah, there we go. We're getting it.
Oh. No.
All right. Let's get out of here.
Where's the escape car?
Right there.
Oh, I see it.
There it is. Okay.
I think Mom's setting me up.
What do you mean?
We destroyed that building.
Oh yeah. I thought you were talking about your own mom. I was like, what?
That too.
Heck yeah, bro. Yeah.
I don't want to see what I got myself into.
See what I got myself into.
That took how long? 18 minutes. Just having fun destroying shit. New high school.
Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.